I am told this is a garbage disposal. I've never seen a garbage disposal. I never had one in any place I've ever lived. It is terrifying. I don't know what to use it for or what its purpose is. Like food scraps? Like, is this environmentally sound? I don't know.
So, like, if this is environmentally sound, it could be like a really great place to put my policy proposals. I don't particularly understand what this thing is. It appears to be a big metal triangle. I plugged it in and it's just sitting here, not doing anything. So I also found this in my new bougie apartment, and I don't know what this is. I've never seen this before. And I mean, like, I don't know anything about it. It looks like really old, and there's no, like, there's a lot of writing, and it's just like, I'm gonna be honest with you right now. Like, if there's no pictures in it, I'm not gonna read it. And this device is terrifying too. Like, what purpose does it, like, serve? I mean, it just sits here and you pull a lever and it's just a water machine. Like, it literally just spins water down. That's wasteful. I mean, I'm common folk, just like you. I can't be, you know, understanding these modern day contraptions. I literally have no idea what this substance is, like, falling from the sky. But, like, I feel like I should ban it with the Green New Deal. Hey guys, I don't usually sit on the floor, but I will in honor of AOC. If you liked this video, don't forget to follow and like my page. Also, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is called Sara Gonzales Unfiltered, and follow me on social media at Sara Gonzales TX.